Hello everyone. Up to now we discussed about the biodiversity. Now we will discuss about the reasons for the greater biodiversity in the tropics. Now we will discuss about a topic called as reasons for greater biodiversity in tropics. Reasons for greater biodiversity in tropics. Actually, first of all, what are the tropics? Biodiversity, we know, diversity within the living organisms we are calling as a biodiversity. What are the tropics? What is tropical climate? What is tropical environment? Because tropical areas or tropics are the areas which it is consisting of temperature from the 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees Celsius. Temperature in the tropical regions are ranging from the 0 to 23.5 degrees Celsius. Our country India is a subtropical continent, 20 to 40, right? Now, why there is a greater biodiversity in the tropic? What reasons are there? Three reasons are mainly given for the greater biodiversity in the tropics here. The three reasons we are going to discuss actually. Here, the first reason for the greater biodiversity in the tropic is actually, it is always consisting of what actually? Here, biodiversity, greater biodiversity in the tropics, it is always consisting of what? Long evolutionary time. First reason. Long evolutionary time because of the stable environment without disturbing. As in these tropics, the environment is stable without any disturbance, then in the tropics what has been happened actually, the organisms or species are getting long evolutionary time. When they are getting long evolutionary time, what will happen? There is a chance of production of the new species more. If the evolutionary time is, what is evolution? It is a phenomena of the formation of the organism. It is the process of the formation of the organism we are calling as evolution. When the evolutionary time is long, what will happen? More number of the species are produced now. That means more speciation. More speciation we are seeing in the tropics. That means more number of the species are produced in the tropics because of the long evolutionary time. And second reason, if you are taking, the second reason is the constant climate. Second reason is the constant climate. In these tropical regions, the climate is always constant. When the climate is constant, what will happen? The organisms can live perfectly, the organisms can live freely without any disturbance, without any harm or something here. Because the climate is constant, they doesn't have to adjust in the environment. They doesn't have to adjust in the particular area because climate is constant. They can live as usually. When the climate is constant, what will happen? It also favors the niche specialization. It also favors the niche specialization. What is niche specialization? Niche specialization. Niche, the term always indicate what? Niche, the term always indicate profession. Niche, it means what? Profession. That means the action which the organism is performing, the work which the organism is performing, how the organism is behaving in a habitat, how the organism is interacting with the other organisms in the habitat. That thing we are calling as what? Niche specialization. That means when the organisms are consisting of a constant climate, it can live comfortably, we are saying. Apart from the comfortability, what will happen? Niche specialization also we can see in the organisms within the habitat. That means organism, how they are behaving with other organisms, how they are adjusting with other organisms, how they are coordinating with other organisms, we can also see in the in the tropical region by the constant climate. And third reason which we are getting, the third reason is always what? The third reason is the abundant availability. Abundant availability of solar energy, water and other resources. Here the third reason for the greater biodiversity in the tropics mainly consisting of what? Abundant. Abundant, it means what? More availability, right? Required amount, more than the required amount also we can get the required resources in the tropical environment. Abundant availability of the solar energy, abundant availability of the water and the other resources which they are required for the organisms which they have to live in that particular habitat. That thing is the third reason. By the abundant availability of the solar energy, by the abundant availability of the water and other resources, what will happen? Productivity will be increased here. Simply what will happen actually? The productivity will be increased. When the productivity will be increased, what will happen? The number of organisms will be produced more actually. Number of organisms will be increased. More biodiversity we are seeing, because more organisms are produced, then we can see the more biodiversity. If the solar energy is more, what it means actually? When the solar energy is more, the photosynthetic activity takes place more, then the food production will be more, then the productivity will be more. That means these are the three reasons, right? Long evolutionary time, stable environment, then constant climate, niche specialization, then abundant availability of the solar energy, water and other resources are the three reasons mainly for the greater biodiversity in the tropics.